Oh, hi there! Today we're going through 10 products most people don't even know IKEA sells. IKEA offers around 12,000 products. It can get pretty overwhelming when shopping there. So today I'm giving you another list of the best IKEA hidden gems you probably didn't know existed. But first, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mon, and this is my dog Mars. And we love all things IKEA DIY and interior design. So before we dive in, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. It really helps our channel so much and it helps you to never miss another video again. Now let's go! The first IKEA hidden gem I have for you is the FAGNING organizer. Now you may have seen this one at IKEA before, but have you seen the things that you can actually use this one for? I mean, people on the internet got obsessed with this organizer, and for a good reason. It is such a hidden gem that you can use for so many different things, from organizing your cutting boards to organizing books or magazines, even for organizing kitchen utensils. Not only this organizer looks absolutely gorgeous, but it can hold up so many things. This one is actually made out of powder-coated metal in this beautiful beigey color, making it such a quality piece. It also comes in a wall-mounted version too, with hooks underneath, and it makes such a cute decor moment out of storage, and I love it so much. The next IKEA hidden gem you probably haven't seen is the KABOMBA LED lamp with a mirror. This simple metal frame LED lamp has a removable mirror that you can actually place anywhere you like on the lamp's frame, or remove it and hold it in your hand, which is so amazing. I mean, this is a mirror and an LED lamp all in one, which is so smart. The mirror actually enlarges the reflection, so it's ideal for plucking your eyebrows, putting on makeup, or even shaving. The lamp is dimmable by using the button on the side, so you can easily get the light you need for doing your makeup and then dim it for making a cozy atmosphere in the bathroom. This one is made out of metal and comes in two color options, black and chrome plated, and they both look gorgeous. Such a practical product with an integrated LED lamp coming at $64.99. Another practical IKEA gem you probably didn't know IKEA sells is this mist nozzle for faucets. First off, this nozzle can be easily installed on all IKEA taps, but will also fit most standard bathroom wash basin mixer taps on the market. What this one actually does is switch from mist to spray mode, which is so practical, especially when it comes to bathrooms. The nozzle keeps the water flow just right, so you save water and also energy required to heat hot water, which is amazing. It's super easy to switch from mist to spray mode thanks to the ergonomic design of the nozzle. This one comes at only $6.99 and has a 3-year warranty. Such a practical IKEA gem that I can't wait to get for my bathroom. The next IKEA gem I have for you is a decor piece, and that is this decorating rod for tables. With this rod, you can actually create a beautiful table framing for your indoor or outdoor table setting. This smart table rod is perfect if you want to hang lights on, flowers, balloons, hanging plants, or even Christmas decorations. With the holiday season coming, I can see this rod used in so many different ways. The rod is extendable and will fit any table from 115 to 235 centimeters length. It is held in place at each table end by two sturdy and durable clamps that can be adjusted to any tabletop thickness. There is also a stop on each end of the rod that secures the decorations and holds them in place. I've been looking for a product like this for such a long time, and I can't believe I finally found it at IKEA and at such a great price for $39.99. The next IKEA gem I have for you is the NYSJÖN Cabinet for washing machine. I mean, this is the best storage solution for the otherwise unused space above your washing machine. Period. I just hate when things pile up on top of the washing machine, making everything look so messy, and this cabinet is just the perfect solution to transform this space and make a good use out of vertical storage in the bathroom. Vertical storage is everything, and this cabinet will fit so much behind closed doors, from detergent to cleaning supplies, making your bathroom clean and organized at all times. This one comes at $99.99, which is such a great price for a cabinet that will make such a huge difference, especially in smaller bathrooms. When we're talking about practical storage solutions, you just have to check out this next IKEA gem, which is the KUGGIS Insert with 8 compartments. Now, why is this insert such a gem, you might ask? Well, not only you can use this insert on its own or in a drawer, but you can also add it to the KUGGIS box. Yup. This insert fits perfectly in the biggest size of the famous IKEA KUGGIS boxes, making an even more practical storage for the smallest things, from arts and crafts to makeup, chargers, and even office supplies. The compartments give you a good overview and help you find what you need easily while keeping everything organized and close at hand. The next IKEA hidden gem I have for you is this lint brush. I mean, I live with a dog, and I practically live with dog hair all over me, and I'm so tired of using these things, since first, they don't work as well at removing dog hair, plus they are not reusable, which bothers me so much. I mean, we can agree that our planet doesn't need more waste. However, this little lint brush has been a real lifesaver. It works so good, it actually has a fabric surface that removes fur hair, dust, and lint from clothes, furniture, and car seats. It's so simple to use, you just pull the brush in the direction of the arrow to remove a lint of hair from your clothes and pull it in the opposite direction to clean it out. This one is such a sustainable option that can be used over and over again, and it's just such a gem. I've been using it on my clothes and my sofa, and I just cannot recommend it enough. The next IKEA hidden gem is the BJÖRKÅSEN laptop stand. This one is the perfect little budget solution for your home, especially if you're living in a small space. This sturdy laptop stand will help you study, work, or play an instrument with sheet music wherever you need it for. It's so easy to adjust the height, tilt the top, move around in the home, and even fold for storage. It's just such a flexible and versatile solution that you can use throughout the home and for so many different activities. It also has a clipped cup holder to the underframe, which is so smart. It comes in 3 colors, I love all of them, and at a great price point for only $49.99. I could see this one as a side table too, such a smart and versatile IKEA find. A $3 IKEA find that's such a gem is the HAVSKÅL USB anchor. These anchors actually come in a set of 2, and what they'll do is just keep your cables organized on the desk or on any flat surface. I just recently got this and I'm so surprised at how good they work. They come in 2 separate parts that connect together with a magnet, making them easy to attach, detach, and use for different cables. Thanks to the shape, each USB anchor can be placed at a different angle to always keep your cable in place on the surface. And don't let the size fool you, these are heavy and will stay in place wherever you place them. And the last IKEA gem I have for you is the UPPÅTVIND air purifier. This air purifier is so small and flexible, yet will clean the indoor air from harmful particles and pollen, making such a big difference in your home. I love that it has a handle which makes it so easy to move from room to always breathe cleaner air at home. It has 3 fan speeds, so you can adapt it to your home's needs and adjust the noise level as well. If you're a light sleeper such as me, you can choose the lowest fan speed with a low noise level during the night, which is perfect. This purifier is AHAM certified, which means it is thoroughly tested to ensure efficiency in the disposal or harmful allergens like tobacco smoke, dust, and pollen. And that wraps it up for today. Did you know about these IKEA gems? Let me know in the comment section below, along with which one was your favorite. Don't forget to check out my other hidden gem IKEA videos to learn about even more IKEA finds. I'll make sure to link all of them into a description box. Also, show us some love by subscribing to the channel and hitting the like button on this video. It will mean the world to us, so please just take a moment to subscribe to the channel so you never miss another video again. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Hey buddy, how are you? Will you say bye? Will you say bye to everyone? Oh my god guys, we are so close to reaching 100k and we'll be doing a live. So make sure to stay tuned. Right Mars? Just leave me be, woman. Bye bye.